Hey there buddies, Tiger Meow is in and welcome back to my channel. Today we're doing an unboxing and review video of Nendoroid 1154DX, the Nendoroid version of Captain Marvel. Plus, I'm giving away these Captain Marvel goodies to one of my lucky subscribers. So stay tuned until the end of the video. But first, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell to get notified. Get the chance to win these Captain Marvel goodies like this notebook, baseball cap, iron-on patches, and keychain. I got this Nendoroid 1154DX from amiami.com last December 2019. Now, let the unboxing begin! And to remind you all that these Nendoroids are not recommended for kids. They are for ages 15 and up. So you have the usual user manual, the figure, and the base stand. This Nendoroid comes with the following: a Captain Marvel head sculpt, a Captain Marvel torso with jacket, an extra faceplate, the Nendoroid Carol Danvers, a hand with the transmitting pager, Goose the cat, and the plasma effects. Now that we have unboxed Nendoroid Captain Marvel, let's take a closer look on this figure and the accessories that comes with it. The first thing that I've noticed in this figure is the finishing. It's matte and a little dull in colors. I'm not sure if I'm liking it, but I do like the texture on this figure. It reminds me of the Nendoroid Captain America Civil War. Here are the articulations in this Nendoroid Captain Marvel. You have the shoulder, elbow, and wrist articulation. You have the waist articulation. And you have the leg, knee, and ankle articulations. Here are the other parts and accessories that comes with this Nendoroid 1154DX. First, let's take a closer look on this torso of Captain Marvel wearing the signature leather jacket based on the movie. This jacket also have an articulated arms so you can play dynamic poses with this Captain Marvel. Now, let's take a closer look on the Captain Marvel head sculpt. I'm still not convinced with the matte color finishing they've chosen with this Nendoroid, but I like the details on the head sculpt and I love the mohawk hairstyle of this Captain Marvel, just like from Avengers Endgame. This Captain Marvel also includes an extra faceplate with her look after unlocking her superpower. And of course, who can forget Goose the cat, who steals the spotlight in the Captain Marvel movie. This Nendoroid also includes a very cute and small goose. This set also includes the plasma effects and the pager for Captain Marvel. let me show you all the looks and the interchangeable modes you can do with this Nendoroid Captain Marvel. Be careful on pulling and inserting the joints on this Nendoroid. With this Nendoroid that I have, the joints are particularly tight, so you just need to be extra careful on yours. So here's Captain Marvel with their full suit on. Now, to use the plasma effects, all you have to do is pull on the wrist and replace it with the power accessories. Now, let's change this Nendoroid to Carol Danvers. I really like that there are interchangeable modes for this Nendoroid Captain Marvel. You can change her to Captain Marvel or Carol Danvers or vice versa. Now, let me show you how you can interchange the faceplate of this Captain Marvel. Overall, I'm still liking this Nendoroid Captain Marvel. So here's my full rating for this Nendoroid 1154DX. I'm giving Nendoroid Captain Marvel an 8/10. I do like that this Nendoroid can interchange from Carol Danvers to Captain Marvel. I'm really not sure about the colors and finishing they did on this figure. It's just a little bit dull for me. But overall, setting aside the colors, I still like this Nendoroid as a fan of Marvel and chibi figures like Nendoroids. Maybe I just need to adjust the saturation when I do my toy photography for this figure. Yes, we're doing another giveaway for all the Captain Marvel fans out there. Here's how to join. First, make sure you subscribe to my channel. Second, like and share this review video of Nendoroid Captain Marvel. And third, comment "I love Marvel" on the comment section below. Good luck everyone! This contest is open to all. I hope you enjoyed this video, and until next time, meow! Nendoroid 154, the DX version of Captain... First...